How to download GeForce Experience for Windows 11. To download GeForce Experience for Windows 11, you can follow these steps. 1. Open a web browser on your Windows 11 computer. 2. Visit the official NVIDIA website by going to https://www.nvidia.com/n-a/geforce/GeForce-experience. 3. On the GeForce Experience page, click on the Download Now button. This will initiate the download of the GeForce Experience installer. 4. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file, typically in your Downloads folder, and double-click on it to run the installer. 5. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. The installer will guide you through the necessary steps, such as accepting the license agreement and selecting the installation options. 6. After the installation is finished, you should have GeForce Experience installed on your Windows 11 computer. It's worth noting that GeForce Experience is compatible with Windows 11, but it's always recommended to check for the latest system requirements and compatibility information on the official NVIDIA website to ensure a smooth installation and optimal performance.